Temple Sikhar. By fiberglass, dome, church, mosque, Gurudwara, dome temple, temple Sikhar. We will molding religious and decorative dome shape by fiberglass for temple, mosque, church and Gurudwara as per your requirement. PC Dome is leader in manufacture of residential, religious, commercial, industrial, government and fiberglass dome. You can choose the color of the inside and outside surface of the dome. Fiberglass allows the versatility and creativity of design to accommodate almost by any configuration. It came true. Architects and design have the freedom to reproduce religious form without any compromising authenticity. Fiberglass is profitable alternative. Fiberglass is potential alternative to expensive traditional material. Fiberglass is very practical compared to maintenance and installation cost of other traditional material. In addition to the new construction, fiberglass is often used to restore old dome and Sikhar made of bricks, marble, cast stone and metal. The advantage of fiberglass dome and Sikhar are lightweight. Compared to its strength and durability, the weight of fiberglass awning far exceed that of other traditional material. Easy installation. Fiberglass dome require less internal support structure. Fiberglass dome are pre-assembled, numbered and labeled for easy on-site installation. The dome can be assembled and installed at the site project, avoiding high labor cost. Dome are usually shipped as large possible. The section is cake shape and bolt in place. After assembling the FRP dome, you can lift the crane into one. If you want to place it on building structure, just screw it into the structure. Typical contractor and carpenter can often assemble and install fiberglass dome. Decomposition, oxidation, corrosion and weather resistance. The advantage of fiberglass dome and Sikhar is that they are resistant to rot, rust, corrosion and element. Unlimited design flexibility. The advantage of fiberglass dome and Sikhar is unlimited design flexibility. Fiberglass dome have an advantage over other material because they can be molded into complex shape. The shape can be bent, crumped, ribbed and profiled in different way with different thickness. Flame, hurricane, earthquake resistance. The dome and Sikhar are made of the latest material that make the dome resistance to flames, hurricanes and earthquakes. Sikhar fiberglass dome. We are manufacture fiberglass building product for temple such as Sikhar, dome, pillar and wall panels. Our innovative fiberglass molding technology allows the reproduction of varieties of building materials such as marble, stone and wood. The advantage of fiberglass dome is that it requires less maintenance and lightweight. Compared to its strength and durability, the weight of fiberglass awning far exceeds that of other traditional material. Use of FRP cap cover to hide joint of two panel used as concealed electric cable and leaked water drainage. We provide flange width for joining two panel size 35 mm to 115 mm as your required. We suggest flange size 115 mm for good strength. Bolt size is 6 mm dia and 35 mm long. We have used one side adhesive rubber strip to join two panels to prevent water leakage. Rubber strip size 6 mm thick, 15 mm width. My name is Radhesham Patel. I live in Ahmedabad city, state Gujarat, country India. My company name is Prince Composite Dome House. Our main product is to manufacture the panel of the dome house by molding method. Our factory is located at Mehmdabad, 45 km from Ahmedabad to Nadiad. We are the only manufacturer of insulated dome house in the world. The exterior and interior surface of the dome house panels are made by gel coat and fiberglass. The puff insulation used in refrigerator and cold storage is injected in liquid form between the two surfaces. Foaming occurs with a lot of pressure in a few moments after the chemical is injected, which spread out in the empty part of the panel and convert to solid form according to shape. The thickness of puff insulation in the panel is 75 mm and the total thickness of panel to 82 mm. 45 square feet dome house be ready after assembling total 8 panels with window and door panels as per the customer preference. The raw material used to build our dome house are gel coat and fiberglass. It is also being used in very important places around the world. For petrol storage tank at petrol station, for tank to store harmful acidic chemicals such as acid, for water pipes of the Narmada Dam project connecting many states of India, for a ship in the salt water of the sea, and also make bathroom bathtubs. Contact us for more information, discussion, and if you have any question. Radheshyam Patel, mobile WhatsApp +91 90 239 60692. Email pcdom11@gmail.com. Website www.pcdoms.com.